In this video we are going to talk about converting terminating decimals to fractions. A terminating decimal is a decimal that we know, for example 1.07 or 0.68 or 3.1578. It could be anything as long as it terminates, as in it doesn't go on forever up to infinity, right? So converting them to fractions is all about dividing them by powers of 10. That is, 10 to the power of 1 is 10, 10 to the power of 2, 10 squared is 100, 10 cubed is 1000, and so on. Now you're going to get the idea of which power of 10 you're going to be using from the number of digits in the decimal part. For example, if there are two decimal digits, 1, 2, then it's going to be a division by 100. The number of zeros in the power of 10 should be the same as the number of decimal digits. Or for this one, it's going to be the same, so it's going to be a division by 100. For this one, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now, what am I going to write to the top of the fraction? Well, I'm going to disregard the point, the decimal point here. So I'm going to write 107. And I'm going to write 68. I'm going to write 31578. So this way I will be converting the decimals to fractions. Now after that I have to make sure that these are in their simplest form. So I can just key this fraction in to my calculator and hit enter, and I'll see that this is in the simplest form, whereas this could be simplified. It will be 17 over 25. And for the third one, 15789 over 5000. This is the simplest form. Now let's look at these. Write these decimals as fractions in their lowest terms, meaning write the simplest form of these fractions, right? So this is going to be 72. I'm going to consider this as an integer. Over, there are 2 decimal places, so it's going to be 2 zeros after 1, so it's going to be 100. Then I'm going to key this into my calculator and find out that the simplest form would be 18 over 25. Or alternatively, you can just say I'll divide this by 2 to get 36, and this by 2 to get 50, and then you can divide 36 to get 18, and 50 divided by 2 will give you 25. So you can go do these mentally. Now in the second one, that's gonna be ignoring the decimal point 2125 divided by 1 followed by 1, 2, 3 digits, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 zeros. So I'm basically dividing by 1000. And the simplest form would be 17 over 8. Well, this is not easy to go mentally to simplify the fraction, but still not impossible. Now it's your turn. Please solve these questions on your book and then submit them online to get feedback. Thank you.